Take the chocolate. Sir, take the chocolate, please.
So this is front gear, right?
No, this is one back, this one is.
Fine. Remote control is functioning. So these are the students of Little Star High School. They're performing this project, a remote control driven car with the help of hydrostatic principle, applying Pascal's law. So you can easily see this one, how it is moving. Yes. Now show me the front gear and back gear. How is it moving? This is back gear, right? And now it is front gear. Okay. Excellent, excellent. Stupendous. Thank you very much, Beta. Congratulations.